All right, here we have a long setup for the stock MAT. As mentioned in the article, nice move up in the morning, then a slight bear flag coming back, right? The key thing I love about this pattern, one, the price action stays above the 10 SMA. It doesn't even touch it on the way back up. Secondly, the price action moves quickly back to the high. You always want to see the high breached in like 4 to 7 candlesticks. If it starts to take 15, 20, then that could be a different situation. There's not a lot of demand to push the stock higher. But if you see a stock quickly get back up to its morning highs, that is a positive sign. So in this setup, we have a clear target of 1047, which is the next pivot point resistance level higher, as mentioned in the article. Our stop is going to be below the most recent swing low of 996. We'll place that at 995. And our entry point will be right at 1019, 1020, which is the high. We've already breached it here, so I'm just going to leave it at 1020 for the entry. So here we go again, 1020 for entry, 1047 for the profit, 995 for the stop. You'll see the order immediately fills because we are, beneath that order of 1020 at 1019. We'll hit play here in the 1 minute to speed things up so we can illustrate this example quickly. Now, the other key point, as mentioned in the article, right, your worst case scenario is this pivot point low here, or swing low. You want to follow the trade up using the 10-period SMA, right? The stock should not close below that at any point in time. Now, a key point to remember is that if you see the stock moves up, it'll have a couple of candles bringing it down. This is normal price action. So if you're new to trading, it may feel like, oh no, the position is going against me. You have to just stay calm, stay positive, and just be patient and let the setup play out. And as you can see, we're quickly approaching, this target area here. And remember, this SMA is following the move higher. So you're no longer really concerned about this. This is your worst case scenario, just for, discipline here and making sure you don't, throw away all of your rules. But your stop is now really this SMA as it follows the stock higher. Remember, patience is the key. Now we're on a 1 minute fast forward, so you can imagine how slow this would feel, right, if you were doing this in real time. All right, so clear. So then the order fills here, and just to kind of quickly recap, breach at this high, initial stop here at this low, target at 1047. Trade played out nicely, but it doesn't always go this way, right? And this is why you have to have these bracket orders in place to make sure you honor your stops. And one of the bonus item I'll give you here is that this had a nice natural progression. There are times where a candle or a stock will have a huge candle in the breakout, not like kind of slowly grinding higher. If that's the case, you don't have to place your stop here. You can actually update your stop so that it's below the low of that huge candle, because if it truly is a monster move with volume and size, the price shouldn't go below that candle, right? That's indicative of like a bearish trend change, which likely means it's going to break that huge candle and also take out the swing low prior to the breakout. All right, hope this was helpful. Reviewing these bracket order setups here with day trading. Good luck.